To access the gradebook and submit your grades, come up to the upper left-hand corner here, where there's the 3 lines, the same menu, and click on Gradebook, and that'll bring you to the gradebook. So here in session 1, I have my 2 gradables that I entered. I have my participation and I have my homework. To enter in the grade, you just click on the gradable, and here's where you can enter your score. You can either type in the score, or if you want to give full credit, you can click on full credit, which will bring it to 100% automatically, or no credit, or you can clear it. Now, once you've entered in the grade, you have 2 options. You can either click Save Draft or Submit Score. When you click Save Draft, what that does is that it pins the grade to the gradebook, but it doesn't enter in the grade just yet to Genius. So if I refresh here, that'll show what the overall grades will be. It'll give you pending scores, a pending overall score and the pending grade. And what else that does is it prevents the student from seeing the grade just yet. So for whatever reason you don't want the student to see the grade not yet, you can keep it from them. You can enter it in and keep it from them by doing that. When you are ready to submit the actual grade, which you should always do eventually, even if you have pinned it, is you click back in and then you just click Submit Score, and that'll give you the actual scores, and now the student can see it on the student's end. Same thing goes for the homework. So you just put in the grade for the homework, and when you are putting in the grade for the homework, you also want to come down here to the text box and type in some feedback, like, good work, watch your spelling, things like that. As teachers, obviously, we want to pay attention to giving feedback to any assignments that we give out. So once we do that, we've submitted our grade and our feedback. We click Submit Score, and there it is. This bubble here that shows that you have typed in some feedback. If for whatever reason you ever want to excuse a grade, like let's say that the student didn't do the homework, but for whatever reason you want to excuse it without giving the student a 0, you can always come to this button here, just click Excuse, and the X will show up here, showing that the assignment was excused. So that's how you enter in your grades in your gradebook.